Alright guys, doing a Sunday night breakdown of my favorite looks into next week. I've got about 15 picks here, a little more than usual, but things look good. So I'm going to start off with ADI, Analog Devices. Great look here, holding the trend very well. Attempted a trend break to the upside on Friday, but was unable to follow through. But hoping we can push through and test that 161 area. Decent volume pop as well. Second is Affirm Holdings. This one's kind of really pushing up the bottom. I mean, we had a huge week last week. We got 5% here, 6% there, so obviously a huge push, big volume. If this continues, I'm looking for a push over 74 towards the 80 area. AMAT had a nice back test and bounce. Like that we have some higher lows, looking to push over 135 to test 138. Amphenol Corp, holding the trend very well, looking to make new highs here, so I went ahead and used the fibs. So if we do break, I'll be looking for a push towards the 72.25 area. Nice diversion on the RSI as well. Beam Therapeutics, tons of respect for the AWOP here. We had one bounce, 2, 3, 4, trend break. Looking for a push over 79 towards the 87 area. Bidu's finally waking up. Ton of volume on this day, and that's went ahead and did the AWOP, anchored it down there, and as you can see, we held very well. Had a nice trend break, looking to push towards 228. I'm gonna stay away until then. I'd like to see it over 228 for a push towards 239. Got a nice volume gap here that we can fill. Comcast has been a little crazy, but overall, look at this respect for these trend lines. Tightening up quite a bit. Pretty neutral days to close out the week. Looking for a push above towards 55.76. Breakdown will probably head towards 53.50. Etsy's tightening up nicely. Back over the AWOPs to close out the week. Looking for a push above towards above 216. I'll more than likely have my sights on the 225 area if we can push above. Morgan Stanley, another great back test. We have resistance, and then support and support. Big day to close out the week. If you want to try and catch the push towards 82, go ahead, but I like it most over 82.38. And then once we break that level, looking to test 85. Room to run on the RSI as well. Planeteer, overall it's holding well. I'm sure a lot of people bit early on this one, but probably a lot of people bit right here, which is very understandable. But overall, held the trend well, looking to push back towards the 27 area. Plug Power finally might be waking up. Held this level. Volume gap here, volume gap here, volume gap here, but one step at a time. Looking to push over 28.50, and I might be aggressive here if we do. Obviously further dated, but might look calls are in the 37 area, or comments, whatever you want to do, but looking for a push towards 37. Ton of room to run here. Sunrun is testing a trend, going back to the highs here, looking to push above towards the 63 area. We've actually been pinging back and forth nicely. Hasn't happened in quite some time, so looking to break above towards 63. Tesla is high, very high on the watch list into next week. Back above the AWOPs, held the trend well. Earnings next week, I would love to see us push back above 743 towards 763. If we break below, I'm going to stay away. Variant Systems. Variant Systems has had a nice breakout here, and then kind of got held up. Been stagnant for about a week and a half, but I'm looking to push over this AWOP, over this little volume shelf back towards the 50 area. If we break below, no play for me. Lastly, we have Yalla. Yalla is more than likely my favorite look into next week. Finally got some volume coming in. Held the trend well, back over the AWOPs. Looking for a big push back towards 2730. So those are my top 15 into next week. Make them your own, and good luck. Thank you.